Murree is the most wonderful and prominent urban city in Pakistan. It is the best going by city for traveler. Consistently, thousands of travelers visit Murree and spend their occasion in the time of excellent grand focus. Murree is well known because of its landscape. Seas. Naran is a residential area in upper of Kagan Valley. Naran is likewise a standout amongst the most picturesque town in Pakistan. It is the most wonderful place to visit in Pakistan. The delightful, prescriptive waterways and lakes have awesome perspectives in Naran Valley. Lake Saiful-Muluk. This excellence is situated at the northern end of Kagan Valley. It is the northeast of Mansehra division of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa